Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So for today's video, I'm going to show you guys this honey look that I'm wearing today. So if you guys want to see how I did that, just keep on watching.
So as always, I already did my full face and I'm going to be showing you guys one eye. I already primed and carved out my eyebrow, and we're going to be working with the Morphe X James Charles palette today, and we're going to start off with this color right here. We're going to be using this brush right here. It's a JH30, and we're going to start by applying this above our crease as a transition, and we're only going to be patting it and blending it in to build it up. It is a very light color, so we want to make sure it stands out. Now going in with this brush, I do not have the name, but it's a flat blending brush, and we're gonna go in with this darker brown right here, and we're gonna apply that on our crease, and we're gonna build that up first on the outer corner, and then whatever is left over we will blend into the inner corner, focusing the most part on the outer part of the eye. So we really want to focus that out there. And then moving on with this brush, we are using the JH35 now, and we're going to start just blending in the two colors together, meshing them together. So we are going to be doing kind of like a cut crease, but not really, because I am not making it precise when I go in with the yellow, but I am cleaning out my eyelid since I am going to be using the NYX jumbo pencil in the color milk, and I really want the white to look white instead of like a neutral skin color. So that is the reason why I'm going in with the makeup remover wipe, and I'm just cleaning my lid, just my lid, not above my crease or anything like that. So now going in with the NYX jumbo pencil, I am just going to apply this all over my lid, and I'm going to be blending it out with a brush, but we want to get the most product in our lid, not above our crease, because if not, it will just go all over the place. So now we're going in with this brush right here, and it's a M124, I believe, and I'm just going to use that to kind of carve out our eyelid. But remember, we're not doing that. I just really want to get it together with the color we had on our crease, so it can look blended and not like defined crease. Now moving on to the eyelid, I am using this brush and this yellow shade right here, and I am going in with the Morphe M166 brush to apply the color on our crease, and I am just going to pat it on, building it up so we can get the most intensity out of the yellow. I want it to be a bright yellow, like a bee yellow, and I think that's the name of this shadow. I think you don't have to be precise with this. We are trying to do it normal eye, not cut crease. So we're also going back to the dark brown we used earlier just to bring more dimension to the outer eye, and we are going to go back in with that yellow just to completely mesh them together. Now going in with the Morphe 213, I'm going to use this bright, it's like a yellow champagne color, and I'm going to be using that for the inner corner highlight and also for our brow bone. And then I am going to move on to my eyeliner, and I am using the Kat Von D tattoo liner for this, and I'm just gonna let you guys see how I do my eyeliner. And if you guys want a more explainable way of how I do this, I also have a video on my channel. You guys can check it out on my channel, so it can be more descriptive. Now moving on to mascara, I am going to be prepping my eyelashes for mascaras, and for eyelashes I am using my friend's line of lashes, which are her KJ lashes. You can find them on Instagram under that name, and they're in the style whatever, and yeah, they're very full. So now I'm going in with this flat defining brush. It's an M432, and I'm just going to be using that to apply the brown shade, the darker brown shade, right on my lash line and really get in there really close to my lashes. Now to fully blend it out, I'm going to use this shade right here on an E18 brush, and I'm just going to use that to diffuse the harsh line we created to really get that dark brown shade and make it look more smoked out. And then we're also going to apply mascara on our bottom lashes. And then moving on to lips, I am using the Cocoa lip liner and the Dose of Colors New Chica, and I already applied that, but I'm gonna add a little bit more lip liner just to get it to look more like an ombre effect.
If you guys have reached the end, I want to give you guys a thank you for sticking around, and please don't forget to give the video a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel so you guys can stay updated.
Mommy.
Big thumbs up for mommy. Okay, go baby. So yeah, make sure you guys subscribe so you guys can know when I upload new videos. And also I want to let you guys know for the month of October I will only be uploading Halloween looks. I know, touche, right? But I am also going to be doing a giveaway as soon as I hit 200 subscribers here on YouTube. So if you guys want to see the giveaway, make sure you guys share my page. And rules are you have to be subscribed. Of course, I have to reach the 200 first. And also you must be following me on Instagram. I'm there as Seli Armenta, so you guys will be able to find me, and I will have more info, like I will break it down more once I received the stuff I ordered for you guys. So yeah, stay tuned and see you next time.